Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious funnel cake at home using pancake mix. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of your favorite pancake mix, 1 cup of water, and 1 large egg. Don't forget about 2 inches of vegetable oil for frying and a squeeze bottle or funnel for that iconic shape. This quick method brings the carnival to your kitchen. Now, let's create our funnel cake batter. In a medium bowl, combine 1 1/2 cups of pancake mix with 1 cup of water. Crack in 1 large egg, then whisk everything together until it's smooth and lump-free. The consistency is key here. It should be thin enough to flow easily through your funnel or squeeze bottle, but not watery. This ensures a perfectly crispy texture. Next, it's time for the fun part, frying. Heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pan to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pour your batter in a continuous, circular, and overlapping motion into the hot oil, creating a lacy pattern. Fry each side for approximately 1 minute or until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color. Be sure to work quickly and carefully. Once your funnel cake is golden and crispy, carefully remove it from the hot oil using tongs. Place it on a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any excess oil, ensuring a less greasy finish. For that classic carnival taste, generously dust your warm funnel cake with powdered sugar. You can also add fruit, whipped cream, or chocolate syrup for extra indulgence. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.